Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Salwanara Alfiyah. My absent number 30 from 10th grade TJKT 1. Here I will explain the procedure for crimping LAN cable in the order of cross or crossover here. Step 1. Prepare the ingredient first like Number 1. Crimping pliers. Number 2. LAN tester. Number 3. 1 meter UTP cable. Number 4. RG45 tube pieces. Step 2. Peel the skin of the cable at the end using crimping pliers of the appropriate size. Just peel off the outer cable. Step 3. Straighten and arrange the color of the UTP cable in the order we have specified for the first, and we attack the order of course. Step 4. Make sure the cable is net, not exceeding RG45 and in accordance with the color sequence. If the cable is too long or exceed RG45. Step 5. Insert the end of the UTP cable that has been started into the RG45. Step 6. Then press the cable that has been installed on the RG45 using the top crimping pliers. Make sure we attack it thickly. Do it also on the sconce and using straight sequence. Step 8. Test the cable using a LAN tester. Because I use a cross sequence, then attack the straight end on the left and put the cross sequence on the right. If the light turns on in the order in which your LAN cable is successful, it looks like this. In the order of cross or crossover, the right part of the sequence and the second part of the jump. Just like that, my delivery about cable crimping. Sorry if I made a mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.